Here we have a model of the house, and we're just going to look at a perspective view of that. And this is the problem here. You've got the same pitch on these roof planes, as you do on this one, but this is a wider building, so that means that the top of the pitch, the ridge height of this particular section is higher than that one, and you want those ridges the same, but you also want the fascia boards to remain the same. So what we're going to have to do here is a manual edit. And you got really close when I saw your picture. So here I'm going to open this object and I'm going to see what the ridge height is. So that's the ridge height there. I'm going to copy that to record it. So I did a Control C, highlighted that, did a Control C. And now I'm going to open up this one, and I'm going to lock the fascia top height, and I'm going to paste the value of the ridge height. So when that happens, I'm just going to click in another box here so that it will update. You notice the pitch changed to 6 3/4 from 8. So now this, and it turns off automatic roof builds because now we're editing manually. And the first thing that happens is we end up with something like this. So no longer joins here, doesn't join there, and it doesn't join the other side. So we're going to make this side exactly. So again, we're going to lock the pitch height, or the fascia top height, paste in the new ridge height, and there we have it. So now these two roofs are joining, and they have the same ridge height as the other roof. If you look at it that way, you can see that they're the same ridge height. But this one, this part of the roof, no longer matches this roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to join those using the join tool. So this edge and that edge. There we go. Now that's joined. And we go around the other side. And now the other thing I'm doing here is I'm pulling it back so that it has some space to figure out where it's going to join. I'm going to do the same thing there. And now we have all of this section of roof all joined up nicely. But we still have this little problem up here. Well, because these ridges are going to be the same height, the ridge boards and so on are going to intersect here. So this part of the roof is incorrect now. So I'm just going to drag that down and get rid of it. Didn't do a very good job of that. We're going to make that join. So now we need this roof and that roof to join. So I drag this back, and now I'm just going to click on this edge, and bingo, there's your joint again. Same thing here, drag that back, and then join these two roof planes, and there it is. It's all done. Pretty simple and pretty easy once you know all the tools. And of course, it's a little bit of an uphill battle at the beginning when you're new at this to figure out what all those tools are. But anyhow, there you have it, how to make that roof work for you. Hope this helps. Bye for now.